Hey guys! By the end of this video, you should be able to play all the way through Beverly Hills by Weezer. Learning this song is a great workout for power chords, but it's also another song that you could easily play from start to finish, which is important for building endurance as well as developing the ability to play mindlessly. To play the whole song, there are only two parts we need to learn, and they're pretty much identical. So go grab a guitar and see if you can keep up. The first part we're going to learn is called the verse, and here's what it looks like. Starts with the chord F5, which most of the time means to just put your pointer finger on the note F and then build a power chord. After that, we have a B flat 5, which is really just right here. This is open A, and right next to A is A sharp, and you can also call A sharp B flat. So here's a B flat, and we build a power chord, B flat 5. And for the first three measures, we just go back and forth between these two chords. Pretty nice. In the last measure, we have two new chords, C5, which is right here, on the 5th string, 3rd fret, build a power chord off that. And the last chord is an open E5, which we did when we learned Brain Stew. In that video, I also said I normally would play E5 like this, or maybe like this, or even like this. But in this song, whenever we play an E5, we're always going to play an F5 right after it. So it's kind of smooth to just use these two fingers and slide over. One thing to watch out for is that in the first three measures, the two chords are evenly spaced. The first chord is on beat 1, and then the next chord is on beat 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But in the last measure, that E5 gets delayed a little bit and ends up on beat 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. And that's the verse. Pretty easy. The only other part we need to learn is called the chorus, and it's pretty much the same thing. We're just going to replace the third chord with a C5. So instead of going F5, B flat 5, and then back to F5, we would actually shift over to C5. And then everything continues on as normal. Here's what it looks like. Because they're so similar, it's pretty easy to get confused when you're playing the song. I usually think of the verse as having this kind of back and forth feel, where the chorus kind of feels like you're doing like a corner or an L. You can maybe think the verse is like a lowercase L, and then the chorus is like an uppercase L. I don't know, whatever you need to help you remember. So for each part, we're just going to start at 50% and gradually work our way up to 100%. At 50, 60, 70, and 80%, we'll just do one round through the chord progression, always ending on an F5. But then on 90 and 100%, we'll do 2 rounds through the chord progression, so you get used to looping it. In the actual recording, it pretty much just bounces between doing the verse twice, doing the chorus twice, doing the verse twice, doing the chorus twice. So if you can play along to this video, it should be pretty easy to play along to the song. All right, let's start with the verse at 50% of normal speed. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 60%. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 70%. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 80%. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 90%, and now we're going to do it 2 times in a row. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, here's 2 times in a row at normal speed. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, now let's go back down to half speed and start working on the chorus. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 60%. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Here's 70%. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Alright, here's 80%. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now we're at 90%. Let's do it 2 times in a row. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, we just got 2 times in a row at normal speed. 1, 2, ready, go. Well, there you go. Now you can play another Weezer song. I teach a lot of Weezer songs to my beginning guitar students because they're usually pretty fun, upbeat, and most importantly, super simple. The next thing you should do is head over to Weezer's YouTube channel and try and play along to the music video for Beverly Hills. Remember, just because you can play the part a couple times doesn't mean you could play a song from start to finish. It takes practice to be able to transition from one part to the next and to be planning for it while you're still concentrating on what you're playing. It's like mentally juggling. So I just taught you how to run around the block. Now you've got to train for the marathon. If you try and play along to the video and it just feels really different, and you feel like you need a little warm-up, Then don't forget that you can slow down YouTube videos and do pretty much what we did here, where you start at 50 and you can work your way up in 5% increments if you want. If you don't know how to do that, then check out this video where I show you how. All right, well, that's going to be it for this exercise. Now go start a band. Play some Beverly Hills. Then tell your bandmates about this channel. Get them to click these buttons. I need more people clicking these buttons, people. They're not going to click themselves. All right, bye.